Good morning and welcome to the first video of 2019. Today we're going to be setting up our vlogging corner, as I like to say. So like over here we've got the lovely blue. This needs to be adjusted, but anyway, so we're going to move it over to this corner and have it actually over here. So I've already gone ahead and I've already taken out the wardrobe that was here. There's the problem of having 1, 2, 3 different colours. Right, this space is going to be really good when it's set up because it's nice and big, it's got glorious lighting, and we can just do a lot more in this area, especially if we like sit down. We can come around here. Game plan today is to remove the wallpaper along here, this horrible grey stuff, to fill in any holes that we have, and then smooth it out and then paint it all one solid colour. From the door to the white over there. Maybe we'll start adding pictures of like adventures and things of all across, you know, Europe, and places and things and times and lifestyles, and just have this whole wall decorated in photos. Right, so first job is to get everything out, bring the steamer in, and then it should be all good. Right, so I've just discovered a problem, or I should say remembered a problem. It is 2019 now. That means I said I'm going to commit to myself that I was going to live on a budget and I'm not going to spend excessively on things. I'm actually going to control my spending. And I hadn't actually factored this in. So on my budget I've got £20, and obviously this would be a lot of work for like £20. But the great thing is I used to be a tradesman. You can check those videos out there. I'm going to have a look in the garage and just see if I could find any spare paint. So this could be like yellow, green, definitely not my favourite colour, blue, because I don't think I've got any blue paint. Or it could just be bog standard white, because I think I do actually have white. That's my main problem, is the fact that this wasn't budgeted and I've only got £20 worth to spend. Budget update. Found all the materials I need for this in the garage. So I found paint, I found filler, and I found all the tools necessary to do this. This is going a lovely shade of white. So as you may have worked out, something's gone wrong. The steamer, for whatever reason, has decided to no longer want to work, and therefore I'm going to have to get a new one. Or, as you see, hot sponge and, you know, slowly dabbing it, and that's just not going to work. That's just not going to fly. I don't know, maybe. But then again, that's going to take ages. Okay, well, the stripper has died for the second time today, and it hasn't really done much, so I'm going to have to get another one. It looks like a trip to Screwfix it is then. Bye! And here is my new Titan steamer wallpaper stripper. The one I didn't think I need or wanted to buy, but here it is, 32 quid down the drain. Ugh. After all those trials and tribulations, we finally got the wallpaper off the wall here, and it's looking good. We haven't broken any plaster. There's a few cracks that need to fill out, but it's all currently very moist, and it's very, you know, we need to let that dry out before we put any kind of paint on it. So while we do that, it's time to clean up. So welcome back. We got the filler in, as you can see. Got the filler all around here, all across the top, and in this little joint. So that's all good now. However, it is dark, and that is why the lighting is so harsh in here. However, we're going to carry on. Once this dries, we're going to put the first load of paint on, and then tomorrow morning we might be able to move back in. Remember to also tape up your plug sockets. This avoids getting paint on them. I'm going to miss this blue background. Remember this? Done lots of videos in front of this lovely blue background, and it's one of my favourite colours. Royal Blue It's just so nice, so calming, and it's just so chill. But unfortunately it's got to go white. I'm just going to take a moment to appreciate my last ever vlog with a blue background. Alright, let's carry on with this massacre. Five coats of paint later, and all these three different colours are finally white. Brilliant. Woo. Now for my favourite part, and that is the peeling of the tape. Vlogging corner is up and running, and here we go. Right, welcome to Vlogging corner. This is exactly the kind of thing that we wanted. We wanted this nice plain white background. Well, we actually used white because that was the only thing we had in the garage. And yeah, I think it's turned out quite nice. The lighting could be better, but we can't really afford any lighting equipment or anything like that right now. This is exactly what we're kind of going for, this nice little comfy area where we can just either sit back and chill and talk to you, or, you know, if we're being really dramatic, then we can get all up in the camera's face and just be like, this thing happened today and it was amazing. Just a thing, we're going to put some pictures and stuff up and make it nice and cozy in the background here. In summary, what I'm trying to actually say here is, even though we were £12 over budget, it took us a couple of days extra to balance out all the white. I would say it's definitely worthwhile doing something like this, because having a designated area with good lighting for your vlogs should make them better. But, you know, only time will tell. It looks good at the moment. But like I say, join us on the next one. See you later. Bye.